Hello everyone, in this part we are going to see how to use blending and color correction effects in VideoPad. So this is the video before applying effects. To add the effect, click on the clip on the sequence and on Home tab click on the video effects. Under blending and color correction, click on auto levels. In effects window under auto levels, check the checkbox next to enable to activate the effect. Now click on the play button. If you want, you can do the color adjustment. For that, click on the video effects and click on color adjustments. To change the brightness, drag the brightness slider. To change the contrast, drag the contrast slider. Here you can drag the gamma slider. If you want, you can click on hue, click on the preset option and click on cycle option. To give cool or warm appearance to your video, click on the video effects and click on temperature. Under preset, click on the cool option and you can see the preview in clip preview panel. Click on the other options to check them. Once you like the effect, click on it to apply it to your picture or the video. Once done, click on the close button of the effects window. This way you can add blending and color correction to your pictures and video in VideoPad.